not too far off here. Right, went up through C. 8. F of x equals a x to the fourth plus x, or 100x squared. What is the value of a if f has a local minimum at x equals 5? Or b, f has a point of inflection at x equals 2. Alright. So that means that, let's see, f of x equals a x to the fourth plus 100x squared. Alright, so f prime equals 4ax cubed plus 200x. And f double prime equals 12ax squared plus 200. Alright. Now, local minimum at x equals 5. So that means that 4ax cubed plus 200, oops, 200x equals 0 when x equals 5. So that's 4a cubed plus 200 times 5, 0. That's 125, so that's 500a plus 1,000. 1,000 equals 0. So a equals -2. And not have any choice about that. Yep, that's all there is to it. A equals -2. And the point of inflection when x equals 2. So that means that this equals 0 when x equals 2. Inflection point occur there. So f double prime 2 equals 12a 2 squared plus 200 equals 0. So that would be 48a plus 200 equals 0. So a equals -200 over 48, which is -50 over 12, which is 4 and 2 12, so it is a 6 and 4.16. -4.16. All right. Suppose the revenue in dollars for producing X bicycles is given by R of X equals 90X, and the cost to produce the bicycle is given by C of X equals blah, blah, blah. Find the production level that will maximize profit. All right, so you need to maximize profit. Revenue and cost. So that means that revenue minus cost needs to be at its maximum. That would be Rx. Actually, marginal revenue equals marginal cost. Oops. This is the point of greatest profit. That will do fine. Let's see here. So revenue equals 90x, so that means marginal revenue is just equal to 90. And cost will be 0.0006x squared minus 0.2x plus 20. Okay, so we took the derivative of both. The derivative of 90x was 90. Derivative of this was 3 times that to square it, and 2 times that into the first, and plus that. So here we have that. Marginal revenue equals marginal cost, which makes sense because revenue minus cat. Oh, You want the function of revenue minus cost to maximize. And this is going to maximum, you're going to take the derivative of both. So you got some other thing here, so that's derivative of both. And then you set this equal to 0 to maximize or minimize, and then you just bring one of these over to the other side. So you wind up with this. Well, that's just background. You can memorize this formula. Marginal revenue equals marginal cost. Okay, so then we're going to do that. So that's going to be 0.0006x squared. We'll solve out the quadratic. We set the quadratic equals 0, so minus negative 0.2x minus 70 equals 0. Plug this into the quadratic formula. I hear you, cat. All right. So it's going to be let's see, negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. All right, so it'll be 380.25. The other alternative is with a minus. Whoops. Hold on a minute. And again, I forgot a parenthesis. Yeah, 546. Such. And other alternative. Negative 213 bicycles. I don't think it's gonna hack it. So let's say 546.7, and 547 bicycles is right here at B. Oh, yeah. Now we're assuming that we're not just losing money. And 500. Yeah. 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 We're assuming that there is a maximum. But yes, 90 times something will be greater than this. That's all right. Okay. Find the linearization of f of x equals x cubed over 12 plus 32x at x equals 4.